Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss on topic computer hardware and software. Firstly, the word compute is derived from the Latin word computere, which means arithmetic accounting. So computer is an electronic device that accepts data and process data arithmetically and logically produce information. A computer system consists of hardware and software. Hardware represents the physical and tangible components of the computer. So hardware is the physical aspect of computers, telecommunication and other devices. Internal hardware devices include motherboards, hard drives and RAM, whereas external hardware devices include monitors, keyboards, printers, etc. So, input and output devices, CPU, secondary storage devices are the examples of hardware. Next one, software. Software is a set of programs which is designed to perform a well-defined function. So, it is a collection of instructions and data that tell the computer how to work. Software is responsible for controlling, integrating and managing the hardware components of a computer system and to accomplish specific tasks. Set of instruction is known as programs, and a person who creates programs or software is called a programmer. Types of software. Computer software is also divided into four types, namely system software, programming software, application software, utility software. Let's discuss them step by step. System software. The system software is a collection of programs designed to operate, control, and extend the processing capabilities of the computer itself. These are the programs written in low-level languages. System software serves as the interface between hardware and the end users. The main system software examples are operating system, device drivers. Device drivers. Device drivers are system programs which are responsible for proper functioning of devices. Device drivers are not independent programs. For example, a printer driver tells the printer in which format to print after getting instructions from operating system. Let's discuss operating system. Operating system is an interface between computer user and the computer hardware. It is a software which performs all the basic tasks. It is responsible for the management and coordination of activities and the sharing of the limited resources of the computer. Some popular examples of operating system include Linux, Windows operating system, VMS, etc. Application software. Application software are the software that are designed to satisfy a particular needs of a particular environment, or we can say that these software are created for a specific purposes. Application software are of two types: general purpose application software, special purpose application software. General purpose application software. These software are designed to satisfy common needs. These can be used for a variety of tasks. Some general purpose application software are web browsing software. This software allows us to surf the web. Examples of web browser software are MS, Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator. Next one, word processing software. Word processor is the software used to word processing. It allows us to create edit a document. MS Word, WordStar, WordPerfect are some common examples of word processing software. Spreadsheet software. These software are used for tasks that involve a lot of calculations or for the production of graphs and charts. MS Excel, Lotus 123 are the example of spreadsheet software. Next one is database software. This software allows users to store and retrieve vast amount of data. Sybase, Oracle, MS Access are some common examples of database software. Next one is presentation graphics software. This software allows us to create visual presentation. MS PowerPoint and Lotus Freelance are the most popular presentation graphics software. Next topic is our utility software. Utility software are also known as service programs. It is used to support the computer infrastructure. Some typical examples of utility software programs are disk fragmenter. Disk fragmenter utilities are used to reduce fragments created on the disk. Fragments are the small portion of unused disk. The disk fragments utilities combines the fragments to create a large unused space and rearrange fragments of files to speed up the access. Disk fragmentation is also known as disk defrag. Desktop Central Disk Fragmenter tool aids the defragmentation process. Next one is backup utilities. Backup utilities allows one to backup or copy. Backup is a service provided by all operating systems. This utility make a copy of all information stored on a disk and restore either the entire disk or selected file. These files can be backed up to floppies, CDs and DVDs using these programs, and when there is a need, the backup is restored in the system. Next one is disk partitioner. Disk partitioner divide an individual drive into multiple logical drives, each with its own file system, which can be mounted by operating system and treated as an individual drives. Antivirus utility software. Antivirus software is a software of utility used for scanning and removing viruses from our computer. Most of antivirus programs include both automatic as well as manual scanning capabilities. Some common examples of antivirus are McAfee, Norton's antivirus, Zone Alarm, etc. Next one is compression utilities. Compression utilities. File compression utilities programs compresses and decompresses files that are not commonly used. The main advantage of compression are reduction in storage hardware, data transmission time and communication bandwidth. Compressed file requires significantly less storage capacity than uncompressed files. So, compression utilities mainly focus or compress and decompress the file folders. Last one is programming software. Programming software is most commonly known and popularly used forms of computer software. These software come in forms of tools that assist a programmer in writing computer programs. So programming software is a software which helps the programmer in developing other software. The tools that help the programmers in instructing a computer system include text editors, compilers, and interpreters. So in last, we conclude that if hardware is the heart of a computer system, then software is its soul. Thanks for your kind attention.